Good morning, everybody. Anthony here on the balcony of days on the beach. Like, subscribe, comment, share, so you can learn how you can create the lifestyle where you can travel where you want, when you want, how you want. And honestly, if you're having to work around, you're on vacations around when you have time off from work, you have to request time off from work, that's a trap. You don't own your life. Your employer's controlling your schedule, y'all. Give yourself the ability to control your time and your schedule. Create residual passive income. It's not hard. You can invest in cash flow producing assets, dividend paying stocks, cash flow producing real estate, but that takes a lot of capital invested to see anything significant. To speed up the process, and the better option is to build a home-based networking business, which gives you the ability to create unlimited streams of residual passive income. Because as your network grows, so does your residual income. Because once you have residual income coming in, you can actually come out to the resorts and enjoy it. Like, I used to travel a lot when I drove Uber. I'm making good money doing Uber. I was traveling all across America. But I wasn't enjoying where I was staying. I was busy getting in the car and doing Uber all day. So now I don't do Uber no more. Actually, you get to enjoy the resorts and hang out with the kids and play on the beach. So, fun times, y'all. So create your life, create your ideal life. If you're not enjoying your life, there's nothing wrong with your life. Like, I just had my second coaching call, which didn't go so well because there's an issue with the keys. So I had to go down and get another set of keys, and it turned out there's nothing wrong with the keys. It's just a safety feature whenever you put a deadbolt on the door. So whatever. That's why you don't put deadbolts on automatic doors in a hotel room. Not when you're in a nice resort. This ain't a cheap freaking Super 8 or something in the ghetto. I don't know why someone put a deadbolt on a door in a nice resort. Whatever. But anyways, so now my second coaching call got canceled because I didn't really see him up to it. I didn't really see him coming because all the steps and strategies they shared me down. The first one didn't do nothing. And I know why, and just like I told them. Like, I'm not gonna change my lifestyle to focus on business. Not gonna happen. Yeah, I can have way more success with my businesses if I actually went hardcore on my business and gave up just enjoying life. But like I said, most businesses, they become very big and successful because the owner or whatever, their life is their business from the beginning. Me personally, I enjoy living life, enjoying life, and sharing an opportunity with people where they can create residual passive income if they so choose. I'm not going to go out of my way and just focus all day on it. Because right now I enjoy life. It's enjoyable. I get the luxury of coming to resorts when I want to, whenever I can get a reservation, taking the family. Got a fiasco around the kids' school schedule, and I said the mom has issues with her work schedule, but give her notification, she can get off if she wants. And then I still travel around by myself when I want to. But like I said, create your life so it's your life. If you want to be a business mogul and make a billionaire, gazillionaire, whatever you want to be, and your whole life wants to be business, and for the first few years, go for it. If you want to simply enjoy life and create residual passive income, take your earned income, invest in cash flow producing assets, and build a home-based networking business. So that way, when you're going about your days enjoying life, you can share with people an opportunity for them to do the same. That way, as your network is growing, so is your residual income. And then all you're doing is helping other people, y'all. So get with the program, start investing in cash flow producing assets, and start building a home-based networking business. And you too can start enjoying your life and enjoying residual.